When you're in Wan Chai, don't forget to check out the Leetungst Avenue 2, which is right next to Tai Yuen Street, Wan Chai MTR station, exit A. And many shopping malls in Hong Kong has been decorated with Chinese New Year decorations. And the red lanterns at Leetungst Avenue is their signature. So this place I am at right now was the place that people come here for wedding cards. So that would be a center for publishing and also manufacturing traditional wedding cards. However, the whole street, the whole Leetungst Street, was demolished in 2007 and redeveloped into a luxury housing estate place. So you can see the high rises here. This is the wedding card shops that originally can be seen on the Leetungst Street. The three typical signs during Chinese wedding. The one on the right-hand side is the dragon that symbolizes the man, and the one on the left-hand side is the phoenix that symbolizes the female. And the word in the middle is hei, means happiness, and there are two hei together, so double happiness. And also, you can find different restaurants here too. So in Hong Kong now, you can still have your lunch in restaurants. However, dine-in services will be cancelled after 6 p.m. And you can see from here, they also have the plastic peach blossom decorations. If you want a very good relationship, a romantic one, then you should place one at home. And for big companies, they also place a really huge one at the center of the lobby for flourishing business. We call it 大展宏圖. And tangerine is a very typical plant we place at home. During the Lunar New Year, 大吉大利, everything will be very lucky. And this is peony, 雀藥. So let's have a look how shops are prepared for the Lunar New Year. So this year is the year of tiger. Year of tiger is coming. So this place sells egg tarts. So they have the shop crust and also the puff pastry. I like soupei more, the puff pastry more. And here you can see another tiger. And you also get some new clothes for the Lunar New Year. So red symbolizes happiness. So we hope you enjoy this short trip with us in Wan Chai Leetungst Avenue. Also check out the next street, that is Tai Yuen Street, for different New Year decorations. So Explore Hong Kong wishes you a great year ahead in the year of Tiger. 恭喜發財，身體健康，心想事成。See you soon. Bye bye.